Good morning, Philippines! So it's beach day with my family and on our way now. And here's my Zoe and family. Hi! Welcome to Simply Mom, Leia and Mika. Here's my partner, Eric from Netherlands. And it's me, Leia from Philippines. And we have Zoe, our little princess. Welcome to our everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy watching! Now, andito kami ngayon sa sentro ng Gubat.
Kain pa.
Now, waiting here. Yung kapatid ko may binili lang. And ito yung partner ko bibili ng Caesar bread. Finally here. It's my back. The crab. Mr. Crab. Dale. We're at the beach. Dancalan Beach Resort. Let's go. Let's go. You like the beach? You play with the sun? We're now at the beach. It's Daddy. Hello, guys. Yes, for you. Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Wait, I make a castle?
You made a castle?
Zoe!
Wow. You play? Nakala ko si Zoe to kanina.
Mommy, when you want you know swimming. I teach you. Hold this one. You sit on mama here. Your friend come here. No, your friend come with you. Your friend come with you. You hold first. No, don't be scared. Mama, your friend is there. Hello, Zoe! Liam! Lexi! Lexi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ginagaya niya talaga yung ano ginagawa ko eh.
What are you doing there, guys?
Sino yun?
Mo yan o.
Putik na sino yan? Nag-ano ka na gumagulong?
Si Nardo, oh. Oh.
Hoy! Wala na kayo kawaka!
Nakita mermaid ako sa tubig.
Hero ito. Yeah. Ihaw. Uy, yummy, yummy. Bibili sana akong tuyo. Sarap sana ihawin.
Bumili.
Ang lilit eh. Paano maihaw?
Naglag eh.
Ay, ba? Ando ba sila, Christian?
Tawagan mo, Christian. Dito lang kayo. Mapapaano lang kami?
Mama, ano to, ma? Ano to, ma? Munisipyo? Ma, munisipyo to?
Oo.
Munisipyo ng Gubat.
Gubat.
Ang ganda. Dito ba notary? Now, andito kami ngayon sa DAR sa office. So, mag-claim kami ng titulo ng lupa. So, araw din guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, today, magla-lunch muna kami bago kami pumunta sa bahay ni Mama. On our way to Kabiguhan. Dito kami sa relatives namin. Ala, wawa naman yung duck. Wawa. Ala, wait lang. Oh, hold mo. Wawa. Ala, wawa naman, Joey.
Nakasabot. Okay, sabi niya. Nakasabot siya.
Uwian na guys. So, balik na kami sa Bulacan. Oo nga, malayo. Labagay, okay lang. Isang sakay. Ganda ng hair ni Zoe, oh. Bruwa lang. Mukha akong ano, agad. Dabi kong ano, sigyawan. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.